Hello everybody, and a big welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, well, what's wrong with you? Right. I'm taking a break this week from the Motorola and the DuArt and all of that sort of assembly language programming stuff because it's really getting the better of me. And I needed to do something slightly different, and I decided to write a program in Rust. Recently, Kindle announced that they were going to remove the Word Runner program from Kindle, or Amazon announced it, and I quite like this. I use it a lot. I don't know if you know, it's basically a system. They're called RSVPs, but they show one word at a time, and in the center of the screen, and you just read the one word so that you can focus on it, and you can get quite high reading speeds. Much higher than you would normally, and I quite like to use it. So I knocked up one with the help of an AI. That didn't go very well. I should have just written it myself, but anyway, I knocked up the first one, and then the second one, I didn't like the windowing system that I was using in the first one, which is called Crossterm. So I decided to use another one called Ratatui, which has a much better windowing system. And so, and you can control things like colors and backgrounds and all that sort of good stuff. So I decided to use that. So I forked it and I rewrote the whole thing. So it was quite a bit of fun, and I got more that I want to do with it. But I'll just quickly show you sort of what I've got here. I know it's difficult to see, but when you run it, this is it, basically. So you get the menu across the top, very straightforward, and then you get your statistics down at the bottom that's showing you, the words per minute speed. Chunk size is currently 1, so you're just seeing one word at a time, and then you can bookmark it. And if you press the bookmark flag again, it'll take you back to the bookmark, and it tells you how much you've read, and it tells you what percentage you're reading. So in this, I can press the arrow up key, and you'll see that you probably can't see, but it is incrementing the words per minute, and I can page up to increment it by 100 at a time, so I can get up to like faster than I can read. But basically, I'm just using a test here of a Project Gutenberg public domain book, just to do this. It does work, and so if I can change the chunk size to like 9, so that'll show me 9 words at a time, or 5 or 3 or whatever I want. So I can just do one word at a time by pressing the 1 through 9 on the chunk size. Page up and down increases the speed by 100 words per minute. The arrow up and down increase it by 10 words a minute. You can right and left, we'll skip it back and forth. You can press B for bookmarking, you can get preferences, and you can hit the space bar to pause it and just stop it for a minute, and then press the space bar again to carry on. It has preferences, so you can sort of set the speed that you want it to run. So we can say, I don't know, 520. And then save them, and you're back, and you can see at the bottom there the speed is now 520. So you can save all this. It has a settings thing in your home area that it sets it to. There's a lot more that I want to do with it. Like, I want to make it so that you can save the file you're in, so that you can reload it. You can reload a file. You can load a file eventually. But yeah, I mean, I'm basically just working my way through a lot of this just to sort of get it going. But it does mostly, it does what I want. I can sit here and I can read, at a pretty good speed. So it's fine. I can do it. You can load the file. Actually, no, I want. and then it loads a different file at a different speed. So anyway, this is where we're at the moment. It's got some, well, a fair amount of bugs that need fixing, but I just thought it was an interesting exercise in doing a Rust program. And you know, it's a terminal program, so it'll run on Windows and Macintosh and Linux, so it runs on everything. I can, you know, sort of use this when I need to read it, anything. There's lots to do, you know. I want to eventually start so it'll read in PDFs. Difficult to read at the moment, but I'll change the profile so you can sort of see. But yeah, so it uses this Ratatui thing, which is the thing that lets you process the terminal, kind of like curses or end curses if you're used to that sort of thing. But yeah, it's a really, really cool program to use. I quite like using Rust. I would like to use it more, but I don't at the moment. But I would like to use it some more. But you know, one day we'll get there. So anyway, if you like these sort of videos about programming and computing and stuff, you know, let me know and I'll keep carrying on doing it. I do occasionally release some things about languages and language learning. Currently I'm trying to get my Korean up to speed so that I can, when I return to Korea, I'll be able to talk to somebody. So if you prefer some language videos rather than all the programming and the electronic stuff all the time, which I've been doing a lot recently, just let me know in the comments, you know. Just tell me what you prefer. I'm easy. Right, that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. Again, I hope you like this sort of thing. Like and subscribe and press the bell and do all that YouTube stuff. That'd be great. And I'll see you soon. Bye.